2, 3, 4.
Nana.
Is that Nana's computer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dada.
That's Granddad's computer?
That's right. That's Nana's computer and that's Granddad's computer.
Okay, I'm holding it.
There's Nana's and there's Granddad's. Look how smart she is. And
Who's this? Who's this?
Baby.
Baby. Where's baby's head?
Head.
Head. Go kiss baby?
Mm. Mm.
You love your baby?
Well, why is it? Okay.
What's Granddad doing? Who's that? Who's that?
Nana. Book.
Boat. Nana boat.
Alba.
You see that water? Yeah.
Nana boat. Nana boat.
Say. No.
Nice fresh air. See, those flies are gone. I never got them out of there. They must have found a way out.
Uh-huh.
Mom, Daddy.